Alright YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I'm Raj and I run Autoflock. This video I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these in carbon fibre. This has been provided to us by a good friend of ours, and he's one of our oldest customers, has been using the company since the very early days. A chap called Luke, who owns a very famous Fiesta Z-Tech Turbo called the Trolley. I'll put a link to his build thread on Passion Forward in the description. It's a hell of a car. It's got, you think of what you can buy, it's got it. It's 500+ brake horsepower. Yeah, it's got everything. You'll have to have a look at the build thread. But he's got a panel where the heater controls used to go on the centre of the dash. He's got a replica panel here just to go in its place, and he wants to make it out of carbon fibre with the core material, so it's going to be quite solid. So he can put like pull switch gear, emergency kill switches, that sort of thing, and he doesn't want it to move around at all. So he's provided this, and I offered it up to a dashboard I had in stock. It doesn't actually fit the best. I mean, the bottom has got a bit of a taper to it, and where this finishes there, there's actually about a gap about 10mm, so it's actually falls a little bit short. So I've already made the mould, but to make the mould was quite laborious. If you look at the photos I'm putting up now, I had to make a mould of this, then made a fiberglass replica of this, and then added the material and just reshaped it to the right shape and the right profile of the cutout it's going to be fitting into, and then remoulded that, which is what gave us this mould. So what I'll be doing now is I'm going to get some carbon fibre fabric, going to lay it into the mould. I'll probably do 2 layers, then a core material just inside the mould, inside the perimeter of the outside there, and then do another layer of carbon, so it's be like a 3-layer stack with a core, and that should be more than strong enough. So let's get on with that.
With
Okay, so that's the panel, all finished now, trimmed up and polished. It's absolutely solid. It's a nice shiny glossy finish to it. And now this is ready now to be installed onto the car and have some switches put on it. But yeah, hope you like the video. You see how it goes from having a template provided by the customer through the moulding process. Obviously that was a bit of a basic photo slideshow, but then through to the infusion. And like I say, just a very simple panel, just 3 layers of carbon and a core material, and it yields a very strong and extremely lightweight panel. So yeah, if you like the content, usual jazz, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. So thanks for watching. Cheers.